Good afternoon, good day, good Wednesday, good weekday, good everything to everybody. We are alive. Oh, excuse me. I am doing a bit of a oil treatment of my hair and my face. So if I look a bit oilier than usual, then that's what that is. I have a bit of a coconut oil situation on my face and my hair and whatnot and on my body. I've been doing that and I want the oil to be absorbed and then I will take a shower. So I haven't been I kind of changed up my routine a little bit, and I did not do the gym and I did not do a shower before this live. I'm instead doing this oil therapy treatment. I just heard something. Hello, thank you for being here. Hello, Reese. Hello, Wonder Boy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome one, welcome all. Welcome to this live. So yeah, didn't shower yet, doing the oil thing. And Doro, we need 20 likes, like and subscribe. Wow. Goodness. El Challen, how are you? Oh goodness. Well, congratulations. Reese says, Wonder Boy says, so I found out I'm gonna be a dad today. Well, congratulations, dad to be. Breaking news, Dora says, well, I know, yeah, many things happen on this live, and this too has now taken place, where we are sharing the news of a new birth of one of my mods, or no, one of the children of one of my mods. We wish you a Merry Christmas, or not really. What is this? We wish you a good pregnancy. We wish you a... El Challen is gonna ask to be a mod. Here's your warning in advance. Oh my gosh, so the other day somebody was mean to El Challen. And then you guys left and I dealt with the broken heart of somebody who did not become a mod. So please don't be mean to the mod wannabes. Thank you, El Challen. Thank you so much. Thank you, El Challen. Thank you, Wonder Boy. Thank you, Combat Sports. Thank you, Commander Paladine. Reese / Wonder Boy, or just Wonder Boy, Belgium. Come in, Belgium. And congratulations. Combat Sports says, doing my workout and listening to you, what a pleasure. Hello, Combat Sports. Kuch hota hai. Combat Sports had requested this particular song. I look kind of different now, and my eyesight is hazy because I just did the coconut oil treatment on my face and my hair, so I can barely read these things, but I do see these things coming in. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, everybody. Commander Paladine says, yo, what's up, cute girl? Hello, Commander. Doro, hello. El Challen needs to be bullied, or wait, what do you mean? You're in Belgium? Apparently, yes, but I'm in North America, but somehow also in Belgium. No, be mega nice to home. So nice it drives. Mega nice to who? Who are you talking about? Jeremy, hello. Cars Mystery says my favorite car is a Mercedes. Simon says buy a PS5. Okay, Simon. Siapa says hi. Hi, Siapa. Ash Jenny says I live next to you. Okay, Ash Jenny. Frank said something, but it has disappeared because my mod has deleted it. Shivam Gupta says, are you from India? I indeed am originally from India. Isn't everyone? Amelia Placencia Beautiful name, Amelia. Says hi. Hello, Amelia. A friend says, I'm in South Korea. Welcome, South Korea. It is one of my regrets. I almost went to South Korea once because of my work and it didn't happen. I must say, welcome, South Korea, and sorry I didn't make it to you yet. Damn girl, nice eyebrows. Oh, thank ya. Thank ya, man. Thank ya. Roman says, nice eyebrows. Roman, thank you. Wonder Boy. Frank got straight noped. What does that mean? Oh, yeah, somebody. Amelia says, you look so. I look so what? Shivam says, Maharashtra, Delhi. Where is Harper? It's about to be a band frenzy. You're right. You know who doesn't come to my live anymore, Doro? Guess. I'm putting some of my coconut oil from my hair into my face. I'm letting this live is for the absorption of the coconut oil. I'm putting it on my face and on my hair to absorb it, and then I will take a shower. I didn't shower yet. You look like Indian, but your accent is from the UK. Hi, can I be a moderator? I've never been one. Hello, the second best. Uber Eats Goat Amar. Hello, second best. Who is the first best? Aquarius Bellin says, hi to El Salvador. Oh, my goodness, El Salvador. Welcome. Hitch Slap 1134 says, North Korea read the book 1984 and thought, let's try that. Probably a reason for that, Uber Eats. It's second best. Harper made me laugh. It's true. Harper doesn't come to the live anymore. What did you do? Did you bully my other mod? Second best Uber Eats is saying Amir. Hello, Amir. Hitch Slap. China must have read that also. Amir is one. Wonder Boy is the first best. Hello with the emojis, with the hi emojis. I can't read the rest, but Enrup maybe. Amir is two, literally in your name. Prove you're not a robot and stand up. She is a robot. No, Harper made me laugh. Do literally change his name for a second. Harper is a girl, right? I think Harper is a username that's shared by several siblings. That is my guess, or that is my theory. I think I'm right. I think Harper is the username or the account that's shared by multiple siblings. Some of them boy, some of them girl. Stream off a PS5 and play games you take interest in. Oh, good gosh, Simon. If you're going to write a long message, it better be about cats or physics, or you're going to lose me, as in lose my interest. Greetings from Russia. Oh, well, welcome, Russia. Welcome, Russia. Welcome. Indeed. Every person on the internet is a man. Simon touch grass. So can I be a moderator? The second best Uber Eats, in order to be a moderator, you probably need to be on the channel for more than 2 seconds. That's so true, Doro. Read it, friend. Stream off of a PS5 and play games you take interest in. Play the campaign, buy a face camera and a microphone. Take my advice. You will see numbers you can't believe you're already. Advice is spelled with the C when it's a noun, but okay. You will see numbers you can't believe you're already in the algorithm. Thank you so much, Simon Turner, for your encouraging words. I shall take into account what you're saying, but I'm not a gamer. But I will play Roblox one of these days just for fun, so that my children viewers are greatly entertained, hopefully, and also can see me struggle through it. The question about Maharashtra, Delhi. I am not from Maharashtra and I'm not from Delhi. You can keep guessing. Guess where I'm from in India. Simon. Thank you, Enrob. Thank you, Russia. Please do like the live. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say. Please do like the live. Like, share, and subscribe. Please do like the live. We need 20 likes. I'm not going to be here long, by the way, today, guys. I'm tired, and I'm doing my coconut oil therapy of my face and hair and actually my full body. I'm going to be covering in coconut oil and then absorbing it and then taking a shower. So I can't be here long. I am doing a self-care day. A self-care day. You know, these nice eyebrows don't grow themselves. Actually, they do. Actually, they do. It is genetics. But I am from India, so I put coconut oil on these eyebrows and the hair. So, anyways, what is going on right now? What is this? Everything is deleted by the mods. Leave the second best person alone. It's okay. They can say things. What did they do? I can't even see what they did. View it. Oh gosh. Thank you, Simon. Sorry that the mods are not taking very kindly to PS5. They might not like PS5. They might just not like it. They might just not. Why did you make it easier? Reza. Oh, Reza. I love that name. Reza. One of my favorite professors' name is Reza. Reza El Hai says, hi, beautiful girl. Hello, Reza. Oh, my favorite chemistry professor is called Reza. He encouraged me to pursue research. Thank you, Dr. Kiladi. That's who he is. And his first name is Reza. I put coconut oil in my coffee. Hello, Wade. Wade is the one who puts coconut oil in my coffee. See, I put coconut oil on my face and my hair and my body. Mustafa says hi. Hello. Acacio. Hello. You were born with the therapy of youth and health. Oh, thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much. Touch wood. I'll try to touch the cabinets, which are hopefully made of wood. You know what, Wendry? You're right. Let him spam. Let's let him spam. Who? The PS5 guy? I've seen way worse than that. He can spam. There's people who put the entire chat is filled with their emojis. You know, let the PS5 guy spam. It's okay. And he only said it a couple times. It's fine. Rose Dawson says, can I be mod? Hello, Grimmy. I thought you gave up on me, so I'm confused by this renewed interest in my channel. But I do like that you're here. Thank you so much for being here. And can you please like the live? What should I call the big... Oh. Rose, hello. Reza says, I'm from Iran. Welcome to Iran. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for liking the live. Could you like the live, please? Anybody who is here and hasn't done that, thank you so much. Could you send some emojis? Could you send some hearts? Could you double tap the screen and give me more likes? I want 20 likes. I need 20 likes. Reza says, Iran, Rose should totally be a mod. Really, Wonder Boy? Rose should totally be a mod. They're talking about Amir. Simon, imagine spending your free time as a volunteer, unpaid YouTube live moderator going on power trips. Ooh, Simon, those are some shots that are being fired by Simon. Goodness, how do you know we're unpaid? Rose, oh wow, Rose is not going to let you get away with that. Speak the truth, Simon, says El Challen. Simon is bringing about a new angle into these live streams. I must say, Simon, go ahead. or Wonder Boy. Old habits die hard. What should I call the baby? I was thinking Oins for a girl and Oindrew for a boy. Really? Oindrew. That sounds like a butchered version of my name, to be honest. Oindrew. Are you joking or are you serious? Because there's only so many Oindries in the world. And I think if there's an Oindry on the internet, they're younger than me. And so I'll always be the number one. So go ahead and name them that. Go ahead. When is the baby due? There is just so many people having kids. I am shook. I must say I'm shook. So many. I'm joking about the name, obviously. El Challen and Simon should drink paint. Rose! Aren't you the type who drowns people instead of poisoning them? She's 6 weeks gone. She's 6 weeks pregnant. Oh. Please let me out of timeout. I did not do anything bad. Oh, don't time out second best Uber Eats. They seem like a sweet person. Let them be. Hello, second best. Welcome back. It's very good to have you. Could you please like the live? Can we get 10 likes? Can we get 20 likes? Second best, welcome back. Rose, now you're the one who's spamming, but I think you know the mod is why. I think Rose is Grimmy, and so somehow here you are. Second best says I already liked. How come I only have 6 likes? What the frick? Let me read about Prime. Should I even read today? I am not in the mood. Rose is unbannable. Isn't Rose the one you guys don't like as the character? Oh, I have to do some reading. I called this live the Primordial Black Holes, didn't I? I have to tell you about Primordial Black Holes, at least for a few minutes. Today I'm in a coconut oil massage kind of mood. I mean, we think she is hot, but yeah, we hate her. So you like Rose? Before you read, can you please play PS5 while making me a mod? No, it wasn't the PS5 person who wanted to be a mod. It was someone else. Rose, keep up. Don't be daft. Ram Candy, hello. Hello. Okay, let me read a little bit about primordial black holes, even though today I'm really not in the mood and I just want to do my coconut treatment and take a shower. Mustafa, where are you from? Says Mustafa. Belgium. But also India and also North America. Pick one. You pick two. Like Panera bread. Ordering. Okay. She's from Antarctica and also Belgium. There's more options now. Rose, you want to be a mod. Are you sure? Are you sure you want to be a mod? Did you like the live? Did you even like the live? Are you even doing anything? Rose/Grimmy. Gosh, now I remember you guys' usernames and your earlier usernames. I can't even forget it, even if I tried, because I have such a great memory. Second best, thank you for the emojis. Wrong emojis. I see. I'm texting Doro. Thank you, second best. Okay, primordial black holes. Let's just read a little bit here. So we heard about the relationship between temperature of a black hole and sort of the size of it and the mass of it and whatnot. And we saw how the bigger black holes were going to have lower temperatures. And these particle-antiparticle pairing things, one of them might escape, one of them might not, that type of thing. Steven, how are you? So, let's see. So, we mentioned briefly about primordial black holes earlier. What do you think is in a black hole? Good question, Simon. Keep them coming. Rose says that she is in the black hole. But we would not get that information out very easily, Rose. So even if you were, an observer from the outside could probably not know that. So we kind of mentioned primordial black holes very briefly in the book earlier, and this is, of course, Stephen Hawking's book, Brief History of Time. But we didn't say very much about them yet. This is sort of the first time that we're mentioning them more. So give me 1 second. My broken phone. It's not working. 1 second. That's true. Each black hole could contain another universe and also another rose. There could be life somewhere else in the Milky Way or outer space. You should definitely check out our live called Exoplanets if you're interested in other worlds that could maybe support life. And yeah. So, 1 sec. So, I actually never shared the live. Let me do that. Rose says, how old are you? How old is who? Can we get 10 likes, 20 likes? Can everybody like the live, please? And give me 1 second, then I'll start the primordial black holes reading here. Second best. You may want to hold your emojis for a hot second. Scottish Simon. I see. What was your first language? Apparently it was Scottish. Stephen, thank you. Okay. I'm just kind of sharing the live right now. Mustafa! Hello again. Dora left, said he doesn't suffer fools, but told me to tell you Reese is the goat. Which fools is he talking about? Me? Or like the other people in the chat? Oh, Dora. Tell him to come back. I can feel it. It's okay, Dora. You can come back. Okay, so There might be primordial black holes with a very much smaller mass that were made by the collapse of irregularities in the very early stages of the universe. Such black holes would have a much higher temperature and would be emitting radiation at a much greater rate. A primordial black hole with an initial mass of 1,000 million tons would have a lifetime roughly equal to the age of the universe. So they would be quite special. Primordial as in early, as in original. Primordial black holes with initial masses less than this figure would already have completely evaporated, but those with slightly greater masses would still be emitting radiation in the form of X-rays and gamma rays. These X-rays and gamma rays are like waves of light. Now, you know, X-rays and gamma rays are just other types of light with shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies, but with a much shorter wavelength, like what he's saying. Such holes hardly deserve the epithet black. They really are white hot. So maybe this is what some people were asking about, the white holes or something like that, and are emitting energy. These are emitting energy at a rate of about 10,000 megawatts. So these things are quite quite unlike some of the more standard black holes that we have been talking about. One such black hole could run 10 large power stations if only we could harness its power. This would be rather difficult, however. The black hole would have the mass of a mountain compressed into less than a millionth of an inch, the size of the nucleus of an atom. If you had one of these black holes on the surface of the Earth, there would be no way to stop it from falling through the floor to the center of the Earth. It would oscillate through the Earth and back until eventually it settled down at the center. So the only place to put such a black hole in which one might use the energy that it emitted would be in orbit around the Earth. And the only way that one could get it to orbit the Earth would be to attract it there by towing a large mass in front of it, rather like a carrot in front of a donkey. This does not sound like a very practical proposition, at least not in the immediate future. But even if we cannot harness the emission from these primordial black holes, what are our chances of observing them? So, you know, this primordial black holes business may not be so harnessable after all. But what are our chances of observing them? We might ask. We could look for the gamma rays that the primordial black holes emit during most of their lifetime. Although the radiation from most would be very weak because they're far away, the total from all of them might be detectable. So if they're far away, you know, that's good because they seem quite dramatic, but the total might still be detectable. And whatnot. We do observe such a background of gamma rays. There's a figure here. We'll show this in a bit. Oh yeah, good. There is a figure here. We'll show this in a bit. This shows how the observed intensity differs at different frequencies, the number of waves per second. However, this background could have been and probably was generated by processes other than primordial black holes. The dotted line, let me show you this dotted line real quick. Or the line, here's the line, here's the dotted line. I'll show this in more detail in just a second. The dotted line shows how the intensity should vary with frequency for gamma rays given off by primordial black holes if there were on average 300 per cubic light year. If there were on average 300 per cubic light year. So the distance that light travels in a year. One can therefore say that the observations of the gamma ray background do not provide any positive evidence for primordial black holes. So we're trying to see if we can observe them, if there's any evidence for them. But they do tell us that on average, there cannot be more than 300 in every cubic light year in the universe. Hi, Rose. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Second Best. Hello, Wonder Boy. Who is copying who? I don't know. I'm reading. Enjoy Enjoy each other and enjoy the black holes. This limit, so not more than 300 in every cubic light year in the universe, is a limit, right? This limit means that primordial black holes could make up at most 1 millionth of the matter in the universe, 1 millionth of the matter in the universe. With primordial black holes being so scarce, it might seem unlikely that there would be one near enough for us to observe as an individual source of gamma rays. So if they're so unlikely, if they're so what do you call rare, in other words, then most likely we won't see one nearby, near enough for us to really observe, right? Hi, El Challen. Has someone been mean to you again? I haven't seen in a bit. Doro! Who was mean to poor El Challen again? Who? Poor El Challen? I guess he's gone, or she. With primordial black holes being so scarce, it might seem unlikely that there would be one near enough for us to observe as an individual source of gamma rays. But since gravity would draw primordial black holes toward any matter, they should be much more common in and around galaxies. So although the gamma ray background tells us that there can be no more than 300 primordial black holes per cubic light year on average, so we get that limit. Can we get 20 likes? What is happening here? Who is fighting with who, and can we get 20 likes? So this 300 primordial black holes per cubic light year on average, it tells us nothing about how common they might be in our own galaxy. If they were, say, 1,000,000 times more common than this, then the nearest black hole to us would probably be at a distance of about 1,000 million kilometers, or about as far away as Pluto, the farthest known planet. At this distance, it would still be very difficult to detect the steady emission of a black hole, even if it was 10,000 megawatts. In order to observe a primordial black hole, one would have to detect several gamma ray quanta coming from the same direction within a reasonable space of time, such as a week. Because remember, we don't expect to get a lot of emission from a black hole. That's sort of the point of them, is that they're black. Stephen Hawking is making the point how black holes ain't so black. There may be some emission from them. The smaller they are, the more the emission, etc. But still, to expect a ton of emission or gamma rays or photons from a black hole is perhaps expecting too much. Okay, so in order to observe a primordial black hole, one would have to detect several gamma ray quanta, as in gamma ray photons, like literally, like you could get 4 photons or 5 photons, something like that, right? Coming from the same direction within a reasonable space of time, such as a week. Otherwise, they might simply be part of the background. So it's hard to say. When you're looking for something rare, it's hard to say, is this the signal or is this the background or what, right? But Planck's quantum principle tells us that each gamma ray quantum has a very high energy because gamma rays have a very high frequency, right? Gamma ray photons or gamma ray type of light waves are high frequency and small wavelength. So it would not take many quanta to radiate even 10,000 megawatts. These are high energy types of photons. Hello, Doro. Hello, everybody. Hello, Rickman. Hello, everyone who's joining. So, and to observe these types of high energy photons coming from the distance of Pluto, for example, would require a larger gamma ray detector than any that have been constructed so far. We'd have to be kind of ready for this type of detection. Moreover, the detector would have to be in space because gamma rays cannot penetrate the atmosphere. So I'm blanking on the what was the gamma ray? I visited a laboratory once in the UK, actually. What is that? Oh, I have to Google it. There is a gamma ray burst detector that I met with these people who work on that. Anyway, but yeah, the space thing, that is one of the constraints. Putting one in space, so you can't just put one anywhere. You have to. Oh man, it's gonna bother me until I remember the name of that particular detector. Steven, can you Google? It's with an S. Can you Google gamma ray burst detector and find the names? And it'll come to me. Of course, if a black hole as close as Pluto were to reach... Hello, Ehsan. It's with an S, I think. S for Steven, S for gamma ray burst detector. Hello, Ehsan. Oh, how can I forget? Okay. I'll keep going. Hello, Ghost, the Ghost. Am I having an exam? Basically. How can I forget? Oh, no. What was it? Okay, I'll keep going for real. So the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope, I think that's one. Do you mean the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope? There's another name. The Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. That might be part of this same system, but I think I am thinking of another thing, which I think starts with an S. I will remember and tell you next time. Okay. Of course, if a black hole as close as Pluto were to reach the end of its life and blow up, it would be easy to detect the final burst of emission. But if the black hole has been emitting for the last 10 or 20,000 million years, the chance of it reaching the end of its life within the next few years, rather than several million years in the past or future, is really rather small. It might be ground-based. I mean, I think it's in space. I don't know. So in order to have a reasonable chance of seeing an explosion before your research grant ran out, oh boy, it's pretty sure it's with an S. Ugh. So in order to have a reasonable chance of seeing an explosion before your research grant ran out, you would have to find a way to detect any explosions within a distance of about 1 light year. In fact, bursts of gamma rays from space have been detected by satellites originally constructed to look for violations of the Test Ban Treaty. So I believe that's how we first saw gamma rays, actually. It was during the Cold War. Hello, Amir. Hello, India. I wish I could remember. These seem to occur about 16 times a month and to be roughly uniformly distributed in direction across the sky. That's true. The gamma ray bursts that I spoke about in the past as well, we see about, they're isotropic. basically, it's an isotropic distribution of them in the sky. This indicates that they come from outside the solar system, since otherwise we would expect them to be concentrated toward the plane of the orbits of the planets. The uniform distribution also indicates that the sources are either fairly near to us in our galaxy or right outside it at cosmological distances, because otherwise, again, they would be concentrated toward the plane of the galaxy. In the latter case, the energy required to account for the bursts would be far too high to have been produced by tiny black holes. But if the sources were close in galactic terms, it might be possible that they were exploding black holes. I would very much like this to be the case, but I have to recognize that there are other possible explanations for the gamma ray bursts, such as colliding neutron stars. So see, he's talking about this stuff quite a bit, in the past. Now, of course, we have seen gravitational waves from colliding neutron stars. New observations in the next few years, particularly by gravitational wave detectors like LIGO, should enable us to discover the origin of the gamma ray bursts. So, for real quick, Stephen Hawking here told us about gamma ray bursts, echoing some of the same things that we've seen in the past as well, where we talked about gamma ray bursts. Okay. Even if the search for primordial black holes proves negative, as it seems it may, it will still give us important information about the very early stages of the universe. If the early universe had been chaotic or irregular, or if the pressure of matter had been low, one would have expected it to produce many more primordial black holes than the limit already set by our observations of the gamma ray background. Only if the early universe was very smooth and uniform, with a high pressure, can one explain the absence of observable numbers of primordial black holes. I don't think it's a Cherenkov detector. I think it's one of those, the gamma ray burst detector I was talking about is one of those like Geiger counter type of detectors. Okay, so I gotta go. It was lovely seeing everybody today. I need to go shower. Y'all can chat. In fact, I want to go find Hi, Mike D. I want to go find the I want to find for you guys the name of the I want to find for you guys the name of that gamma ray burst detector. And yes, everybody can keep chatting if you'd like. Go for it. Chat with each other. Keep on keeping on. But what is this copying thing? What is happening? It might be the Fermi. Maybe I'm thinking of another name of it or something. Hi, Reza. Hi, temporary backup. Hello, Reza Elahi. Hello, temporary backup. It's the primordial ooze again. What's that? What does that even mean? Steven hasn't coped me, but I'm hoping to get one for Christmas. Copied you? Temporary says, hey says, hope all is well. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope all is well with you. Who's copied you, Doro? Who? Do you drink water? Yes. Hello, Rose. Hello, Faze. Hello, Mike D. Hello, Rose again. Hello, Wonder Boy. Doris, Steven. Hello. Thank you so much for being here. Can we get 20 likes? It's almost time for my shower. I'm letting the coconut oil absorb into my face and hair. It's almost time for my shower. Can we get 20 likes or not? This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous that I don't have 20 likes. This is ridiculous. Tomorrow I'll spend a longer time on the live. Today I need to relaxation, meditation, deep breaths in and out, coconut oil, absorption, meditation, relaxation. And then tomorrow I will completion the primordial black holes shun. Hello, first best. Hello, second best. Ooh, I'm hydrating as I speak with the water. It was with an S. But you guys are right that the Fermi GBM, the gamma ray burst monitor, like I think Fermi is the name of the GBM. But what is this S thing that I'm thinking of? Is she having exam? Hi, Ghost the Ghost. Somebody said cute face. Thank you. Hi, Rickman. I'm probably saying hi by the time these people are already gone. Hello, second best again. Are you guys now friends with second best or what? Yes! It's Swift! Oh, how could I forget? Steven! It's Swift! Yes, yes, yes! It's Swift. Thank you. Is it Swift who has the Fermi GBM on board? You're right. I met the people who work on Swift years ago. Now I can begin my meditation, relaxation, completion, showeration, hydration. You are correct, Stephen. You're a genius. It is Swift Observatory. You're right. I knew it. It's with an S. Cute face, drink water, Rickman, Neil. Hi, Amir. Found your answer. Thank you, Steven. It's Swift. Swift. Yes. 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 What? Just tuning in. Hi, temporary. Battery running low? That's usually me. That's for me usually. Chat is killing me off tonight. What do you mean? Is class over? You should rewind, Phase. Go rewind to see what we talked about primordial black holes. But yeah, it was short today. I'm doing my coconut oil therapy and I need to shower. I'll keep the chat open. I'll come back. She will probably let chat ask good questions again. Yes, and you should try asking good questions, Rose. Are you from India? Can you speak Persian or Arabic? Persian? I think you mean Persian. I can understand a little bit of Arabic, and I can basically understand a little bit of Persian in the form of Urdu words. Do you drink water? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave you guys with a little Baji's over here. Underworld coped Suji. Baji's sleeping over here. Let me leave you guys with a picture. And I'll charge the phone as well. Are you from Drinkwater? Yes. Yes. Indeed I am. Okay. Let me show you this. You know what? I'll leave you with a nice picture. A nice one. In falling matter. There we go. You can look at this picture, rethink your whole life, and ask questions. Look at this picture, rethink your whole life, and ask questions. That's what I want. And I'll charge my phone so that it can stay alive. Oh, and this is going to be the next book, guys. This one right here. I'll be back because I have to get things ready for the night still. Ready, oh, ready, steady. Whoops, they're on the paper towel. Hopefully that works. There, you can look at this picture. It's a dual crack pipe. Which four boyfriends? Which four? Which four? Okay. Black hole event horizon, infalling matter, time, space, merge to form final black hole. Those are the texts. Keep on keeping on. Go ahead. I'll be back in a little bit. Need to do my truth. It's Ross Dawson's cigarette. It's a dual crack pipe. What is happening right now? In fact, let me see. I'll give you a... You know what? Let's see. Is there a better picture? Some of you missed... Here. Look at that one. You know what? Look at this one. This is better. Look at that one. Read it, learn it, enjoy it. Keep in mind, keep in mind, keep in mind what's important. It's black holes. All right, guys. I'm gonna do my hydration. Oh. They weren't spamming that much yet. But yeah. Are things off? Off, off and off. Vertical, off, off and off. Blue and blue and blue. Aw. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna finish up the chores and then go to bed. Thank you for coming, everybody. Could we get 20 likes? Oh my gosh. I need to hit the hay too. Early day for me too. Iris is wanting its money. Here is Sachi, mama. Good luck with the taxes, Steven. Did you fall asleep? Tomorrow I'm going live around 10 p.m. So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Faze, did you fall asleep? Not yet. Thank you, Doro. Thank you, Reese. I hate a pretty good memory. But yeah, tomorrow 10 p.m. Faze. Does that sound good? Finally, yes, I'm here. What's up? I'm here just finishing up my chores and whatnot. Here finishing up the chores and whatnot. I'll be live again tomorrow 10 p.m. or so. So tomorrow 10 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you. Hope to see you tomorrow, 10 p.m.-ish. Mohit says, hello. 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 Oh, look at this little bagher bacha. Look at this little bagher bacha to me. Bagher bacha. Suji mama looks like a little small tiger. A little small tiger. Sachi. You're so cute, Sachi. You're a cutie. You're a cutie. I love you so much. You're a cutie. Sachi's a cutie. She wants snuggles. She wants snuggles. Okay. They're gonna get one more snack and then I'm gonna wrap it up down here and go to bed. So everybody, if you want to say hi, now is the time. Do it. And then I'll see you again tomorrow night. Mohit, can you please like the live? Faze, can you like the live? El Challen, can you please like the live? Thank you so much. Thank ya. Hello, thank you for the sunflower. Oh, Sachi. Yes, it's done already. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you. Liked already. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the emojis. Thank you so much. Okay. Let me start the dishwasher. That's what's left. One chore. Baji. All right, everybody. Combat sports. Still here. You don't sleep enough, that's why I hear you cough. Well, thank you, Combat Sports, so much. See you tomorrow night. See ya, see ya, see ya. Thank you so much.